Let's assume you are in a job site and you are chiseling something. Suddenly, out of nowhere, you hit a nail and your chisel becomes a mess. You are in a job site and you don't have access to your grinder or your sharpening stones. But like in most cases, you carry your angle grinder with you. You can use it for sharpening. My grinder's wheel spins this way, so I will place my chisel accordingly so the sparkles won't fly on my face. The grinder spins really fast and can burn your tools, so have some water around to cool them often. First of all, you'll have to flatten your front edge of your chisel. Not much pressure needed here. Keep your tool cool. Next, angle your tool to create the bevel. As you can see, I removed more material from this side. So I try to adjust my angle to get as straight as possible. On the back, the burr starts to form. The grinding wheel is pretty aggressive, so I will finish with sandpaper. I think 240 grit is okay. I also like to use a sharpening adapter for the grinder. Finally, I turn the chisel backwards and remove the burr. If you don't have the adapter, use a flat surface to place your sandpaper and repeat the process by hand. I used a piece of melamine, but you can use a ceramic tile, a piece of glass, etc. Not bad for a quick and dirty solution on a €5 chisel. Let's see how it performs on a piece of basswood. Not bad. If you happen to wear a leather belt, you can take things one step further. Add some oil on the back side and strop your chisel for a couple of minutes. This is end grain, and I think it does an acceptable job. Last but not least, the hair test. Don't try this at home. I hope you found this tip useful, but that was it. See you soon with a new project video.